Where's your baby? Did your baby?
Ow!
Uh-oh, did you get owie? Not on your head. Got an owie on your foot. Yeah? On your foot? Oh, is the baby have an owie? You kiss it? Give it a kiss. Say, it's okay, baby. Yeah, give her a hug.
Mommy?
Is he thirsty? Is he thirsty? Eat the baby?
Boing, boing, boing. Boing.
Yeah. I don't want to drink. Does Annie want to drink? Baby?
Boing, boing, boing. No.
What happened to the froggy, Annie? Oh, it's an elephant. You're silly. Oh, there's a froggy, huh?
Leopard?
Oh, it's a bear. Yes.
Leopard?
Ooh, what's that? What's that? It's a bear. He's soft, huh? Yeah, what did you do to your head? You did something to it.
Want more animals?
Declan. Aww, the broken stroller. Is Bear gonna go for a ride and go bye-bye? See, Annie, that's why the stroller got ruined. Stand up and push it. Stand up and push it. No, push the bear. Push the bear. There you go. Come on. Sit him in there.
Like these.
Good girl. There you go. Go put them back. Annie, stand up and push it. I'm not gonna buy you guys a new stroller if that's what you're gonna do with it.